Hi everybody and welcome to this tutorial for this very floral and summery bee folio kit. My name is Vera from the Etsy shop Veriepear, where we sell many different journal kits and printable ephemera. We just released this new digital kit and I think it's a very fun project. It has foldable pockets and many different pieces of ephemera for you to choose from to fill this folio with. So the link to this digital kit in my Etsy shop will be in the description box below, so make sure to check that out if you want to craft along with me. And without further ado, let's start crafting. So this digital kit comes with a total of 11 printable pages and also with an instruction sheet. So you can use whatever you like, this tutorial or the instruction sheet. So of course we have the pages for the actual folio along with many different pockets, but also we have several sheets of beautiful bee ephemera. Now I've printed 9 printable pages in total, as well as backing paper on some of them. So there's actually another option as well, so use whatever you would like. And on each sheet it says whether you have to print this page on the back of the backing paper, because those are the things that you will actually see the back of. And on some sheets it says that it's optional, so you can do whatever you like. So the first step will be to cut out all the sheets, all the pockets, score them and fold them as well. And each page has indicated where to fold, and we also have these pockets where you can just fold each flap. Now that we've cut and scored all the pieces, I'm going to attach the outside cover to the inside panel. Now any white pieces you see, you can either cut off or you can distress them with some distress ink. I'm gonna do a bit of both. So the cover is now finished. Let's move on to the folding pockets. So we've got 2 of these, pocket A and pocket B, and we see here that this also indicates pocket A goes here and pocket B goes there, so that's for later. First, we want to make the buttons for each, and to make a button we're going to use 2 of these and glue them back to back, and that will be 1 button, so we're going to do that twice. If you want to be able to, at the end, tie these 2 pockets together with some twine or something like that, then you will need to use these split pins. This is optional. If you don't have these in hand, then you can just glue on these buttons just the way they are. But I'm going to use some split pins, so we're going to poke a little hole. I think I may need something sharper. So we're going to poke a hole in the middle. Put a split pin through, like so. And then we're going to put these on the bee illustration side. So that's really important, to only put them on the bee illustration side, not on this side or not through this side. That's why we're doing the buttons first, because you don't want to close your pocket. The pocket with the 3 bees will go on top, because that's pocket A. So what it will look like in the end is like this, and it will fold open like so. So that means that we need to put the button right there. So open it up again. Let's see. Right around there. Just gonna poke a little hole again. Of course you can measure this to be exact, but yeah, I won't do that. Let's open the split pin. And you can put a little bit of tape on there. to secure it in place. And make sure that you don't put it too tight to the pocket, because you want to be able to put some twine around it later on. Okay, let's do that for the other pocket as well, but be careful because of course this pocket, oh, I forgot to fold this line. Let's quickly fold it. So this pocket will of course in the end look a bit like so. So we need to put the button right there. Let's see where it should go. I'm just gonna align these two like so. Get my needle and then, well, I would say it's about there, a little bit lower. Also poke a hole in the button again. Like so. Get another split pin. And poke it through this hole we just made. Again, don't put it too tight. Let's see, that should be fine. I'm gonna put a little bit of tape to secure it in place. So now that we've done that, we can actually assemble the pockets. So you can see that on each flap it says either glue to make pocket or glue on inside panel. And to make these pockets, we're only going to use these flaps which says glue to make pocket. So I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on those pieces. And I'm gonna leave the glue on inside panel flap empty for now. Oh, I actually put these a little bit too high. Oh well. Glue that in place. So be careful that when you put the button on, that it's actually low enough that you won't see it on this side. Something to be mindful of, which I kind of forgot. But it should be fine. I just removed the tape and that's fine. So we're doing the same on the other pocket, only glue the flaps which says glue to make pockets. Now we have the two pockets ready. We have pocket A with the 3 B's, which goes on the upper side, like that. And we have pocket B, and that will go on the inside below, like that. Let's glue them in place. So be careful to really put them right at the edge, so that you will be able to fold them over the other pieces of paper and pockets that we'll put in. Let's see. That looks good. And do the other as well. Again, make sure to put that right at the edge. Let's see. Can go a little bit higher. There we go. 2 pockets in place. Then it's time to add the cover page. So we have this piece right here, beautiful piece, I think. And we're going to attach it right in the middle like that. Like so. Okay, it's starting to look like something. Next, we will add all the pockets to the inside panel. I'm going to start with the middle part, and we're going to stack them from large to small. Make sure it still folds. Next one goes over the first one. Again, make sure this one still closes. And then we have the final pocket, the small one. Still folds. So then we have these two angled pockets, and the first one, so the largest one, goes right there, and then the second one goes right over there. Make sure it still closes properly. And then we have the second one. So then we have the final pocket, which goes on the right side. Be careful that you leave this side open so that you can actually put something in there. So only glue the curved edge. And not too much, because yeah, you want to leave some space to put something in it. Beautiful. So then we can close the folding pockets and actually add some twine. This may be too thick, I'm not sure. Just like this color though, so we'll make it work. There we go. Now there's only one thing left to do for the folio itself, and that is to add the final pocket on the back. And with that we've finished the actual folio itself, so it's time to fill it with ephemera. And we're done with this bee folio kit. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you will enjoy making it if you end up doing so. Like I said, all info on where to find this printable kit is in the description box below. We have many more printables available in our shop, so make sure to take a look around, and I hope I'll see you in our next video.